Have you ever wondered how massive structures like dams hold back colossal amounts of water and generate electricity? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of dams to understand their mechanics, purposes, and significance. A dam is a barrier constructed to hold back water and raise its level, forming a reservoir used for various purposes such as water supply, irrigation, flood control, and hydroelectric power generation. By controlling water flow, dams play a crucial role in managing water resources. At its core, a dam functions by obstructing the natural flow of a river, creating a reservoir. Water from this reservoir is released through intake structures, flowing into large pipes called penstocks. Gravity propels the water through these penstocks, directing it towards turbines. The force of the moving water spins the turbines, which are connected to generators. As the turbines spin, they convert the kinetic energy of water into mechanical energy, and the generators then convert this mechanical energy into electrical energy, supplying power to our homes and industries. Hydroelectric power is one of the most efficient and renewable sources of energy. The amount of electricity generated depends on two main factors: the volume of water and the height from which it falls. This is why dams are often built in mountainous regions, where they can take advantage of high elevations. There are various types of dams, each designed based on specific needs and geological conditions. Gravity dams rely on their weight to resist the force of water. Arch dams, curved structures that transfer water pressure to the canyon walls. Buttress dams, use supports on the downstream side to reinforce the dam wall. Embankment, dams made from earth and rock fill, suitable for wide valleys. Let's explore some of the world's most remarkable dams. Hoover Dam, USA, an arch gravity dam on the Colorado River, known for its massive size and hydroelectric capacity. Sardar Sarovar Dam, India, a gravity dam on the Narmada River, vital for irrigation and water supply. Aswan High Dam, Egypt, controls the Nile River's flow, preventing floods and providing water for agriculture. While dams offer numerous benefits, they also have environmental and social implications. The creation of reservoirs can lead to the displacement of communities and wildlife. Altered water flow can impact aquatic ecosystems. It's essential to balance development with ecological and social considerations. Dams are marvels of engineering that have transformed societies by providing water, power, and protection. Understanding their operation helps us appreciate the intricate balance between harnessing natural resources and preserving our environment.